Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can make someone a moderator of your live on TikTok. So they basically can moderate your live, block people, kick people out, report people, so on and so forth. To do that, you are going to select the plus button in the middle of your screen. Obviously, open an account where you can go live in. So press the plus button. Okay, it's facing me, isn't it? I hate when the camera's facing me. Okay, then you are obviously going to go to the live section here, which I'm just going to move it to the right. To add moderators, you are going to open up the settings tab. Oh my god, sorry about that, that scared me. The settings tab. And you are going to open up moderators. As you can see, I have no live moderators yet. Moderators can manage your comment settings, your muted and blocked account lists, and more. So that's what moderators can do. To add moderators, you can press this button, or you can press the add moderators one here. I'm just going to add my friends here, and they can manage the access, comment settings, mute accounts, block accounts, and they can also manage polls, gift votes, and subscription sticker polls. Press confirm. If I can just press confirm. Okay, you can add another moderator, and you're just going to press confirm if you'd like to, so you'll have more than one moderator. You can also manage them as well, and you can remove their access here. They can also manage guests and more. You can also again remove their access and press remove. Don't really go live with this account, but that is how you can add in moderators on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.